I'm really going to say this. I think I've already spoiled myself. Yes, this is one of my current 6-figure products, or actually 7 figures. Dang it. How to find products that create a 6 to even 60 in ROAS in like no time. You'll find it really quick, and I'm going to show you guys today exactly how I find products, and I'm going to give you one golden tip that none of you guys are using, which only the big dropshipper use because it's absolutely most profitable. So I'm a little scared of giving that tip away on the product research because I don't think anyone has done it yet, but we're gonna get into that in the video. I'm gonna put it in later in the video. First of all, I'm just gonna show you guys my basic strategy, which is really good. Last video's 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is APVK0. This guy, oh, you can't even see it. That guy over here, he won a consulting call. Message me on Instagram. My Instagram will be here. My Instagram will be here. And a couple of people asked about mentorship. I do that in some cases, so if you're really serious about it, you can just message me on Instagram. I'll put it up here again. So let's just go into AliExpress or something, and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so we're inside the computer, and now I'm basically just going to show you really quick, or it's probably going to take a little bit of time though. But yeah, for you guys who probably don't believe this, if you want to see the results, I'm not going to pull any up right now, maybe in the next video, but I have like tons of videos with results, so just look at like 0 to 4k a day, or like when to kill and skill ads, and you should be seeing pretty cool results. So first of all, my favorite niches, you guys already know, it's outdoors, fun and sports, like sports and entertainment it's called, and then it's home and garden, which you can find just by clicking home here, and it's consumer electronics, but there's so much junk in electronics. So if you're going to home, I'm just going to show you guys really quick what I'm doing. You guys already know, but keep in mind, if you know this thing, you don't know my next tip, because it's going to be so valuable. You guys probably never heard it before. If you have, I'm sorry, but I think you guys haven't heard it before. So you go by $20 to $70, right? That's a simple one, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the best match, but first of all, going to newest. So we scroll by newest price, because if you want a high ROAS, which probably will be in the title of this video, like if you want a 6+ ROAS, you're going to be finding new price, because you want to introduce something new to the market. So you're just going to be scrolling by newest and look for price problem solvers. Like this thing is obviously dead now, but this is just an incredible example, right? I would actually get this one myself, maybe not from AliExpress because I don't know the quality, but that is so insane. Like you could be cooking 2 eggs down here, and then you could be cooking, I don't know, meat here, and then like vegetables here, I don't even know, but like this product is insane. Like it's perfect. It's obviously dead right now, like I said, but like I would have saved that one myself and tested it out. So you just scroll by newest, and keep in mind it's just supplier pushing it out again. That's why it still appears on newest. But you could find a lot of products here that people haven't seen before, and that's like the easiest way to scale to like 10k a day really quick, going by newest. Then you use the best match, but keep in mind guys, the best match is optimized towards what you're looking at. So if you're only looking at bad watches and you're in the accessory category, you'll only see bad watches. So if I'm in the home category right now and I look at kitchen products a lot, my best match would most likely be kitchen products, right? So you guys probably can see the pattern. I obviously, I think I gotta censor that. I obviously don't look for too much of like weird stuff in here, but your best match is optimized from your newest, right? So you may want to make sure that you really utilize the newest for a couple of days. So once like 2 days have gone by, you can start using best match, because it's all about optimizing the best match. You know, it's performing after what you're actually interested in. So you just want to be scrolling down here. The reason I do $20 to $70 instead of like 0 to 70, I don't want to go too high ticket, because I want to sell a ton of units. I just think it's really fun. I've been doing a lot of high ticket earlier, like so like $200 products, but right now that's not really me. So it depends a little on the niche. You need to learn that yourself. But in a couple of niches, it's okay to go down to 10. But let's say you're doing sports and entertainment niche, or sports and outdoors. If you do under $20 there, you will only see bikinis. By the way, bikinis is not a word that's allowed on Facebook. So if you ever advertise a bikini, don't write bikini. You won't get your ad approved. I know it's a little weird, but that's why we do 20 to 70, because you're gonna get rid of all the bad products, right? That's basically it. And then once you've been doing that for a lot of time, you will start to get this one down here optimized. It's more to love. That's basically suggestions. I haven't really done any product research on this computer because it's a little bit new, and I don't really do too much product research myself anymore. But yeah, my first winning product ever, this helmet, is so cool, but I'm not gonna look at it again. But your more to love section down here will be optimized towards what you're looking at, just like the best match. If you really want to be utilizing this one, by the way guys, I'm really going to say this. I think I've already spoiled myself. Yes, this is one of my current 6-figure products, or actually 7 figures. Dang it, I scrolled past it and I had to tell you guys, yes, it's one of my 7-figure products right now. It's so stupid of me telling you guys that. So one golden tip here, the one you've probably been waiting for, that I'm going to tell you guys about. Make sure you utilize this one, but you might consider having a little bit of money before you're doing that. That doesn't mean you have to, because you obviously pay after the product is shipped anyways, but I just think it's cool. But is it needed? No, I don't really know if it's needed. But what's a golden tip here is basically, it's talking to suppliers. And I have like 10 suppliers messaging me every day. I have no idea how they even find me, but I have like 10 to maybe 20 suppliers messaging me every day. How do they find me? No idea. But they will cut really good deals in China. So what basically the tip is, reach out to suppliers. You could probably ask them like what's their best selling products right now, and maybe not sell their best selling unless you get an offer that's like, if you want to do saturated products, talk to like suppliers that nobody knows. Just go into like Facebook and search for like AliExpress supplier group or whatever, you probably find some, right? And then just contact someone in China and see like if you can get a cheaper version of their best selling product. That means if you're doing a saturated product that's cost 20, maybe you can get it for 15, which puts you down $5, which outworks your competitors in no time. Just do a little bit of research, talk to a couple of suppliers, you might find this deal. But this is not for lazy people, because I know most of you guys don't even want to bother to do this because it takes you 5 minutes a day. But what you also could be doing, you could be asking for the best selling products, and if they're been selling pretty decent, they will probably sort of have in mind like what's gonna be the next thing that's gonna pop off for them, right? So you basically, I wouldn't really jump on the saturated products to get a discount. I would much rather try to figure out what their next best selling product is, and instead of researching AliExpress, you could just ask them, because there's a lot of suppliers that maybe haven't put out the product on AliExpress, but if you just ask them if you can see a couple other products, and they'll send it to you, and then they could just import it into your store, or they can upload it to AliExpress and you can find it, because they have a lot of things to just sit on so many good products. I know the tip sound like a little shit because I'm not explaining it, but it's simple as that. Just talk to the suppliers, see what they have to offer, and that's basically it. Just reach out to a ton of suppliers. What's your best selling? Can I get a discount? And what do you think is gonna sell good, or just what you yourself think is gonna sell good when you're seeing a lot of different products. And one quick tip, guys, for all you guys using e-comment. I was just out with my friends who were driving out. Oh, what's up here? For you guys using e-comment, I was just thinking about recording this one as well, just putting it as the last clip. For you guys who's using software such as e-comment or e-com hunt or places where you find products, like, don't do that, because if you're using a software to find products, it means that everyone else is doing it as well. So you will see that this product is doing 40,000 sales every single day because you're on e-com hunt. That's not good. It means probably that 40,000 people makes one sale a day with it. Like, don't download those software and use those and subscribe to those. Absolutely no points. And if you guys really think about courses and stuff, like, I recommend, I'd say this is nothing on topic really, but go for like coaching. Don't go for course. Just a little quick tip there, guys. We're so close to 200 subscribers. Let's get it. But don't use those softwares because it's garbage. Use the strategy, find new products. But guys, I like the price. No, I like the range of like 100 to 1,000 orders. I'm not like you have to do zero order products. I love zero order products, but a lot of times I probably do more than zero orders, like 1,000 orders, something like that. But don't go for like crazy saturation of products, right? So thank you. We're so close to 200 subscribers. Quick update today. Not really anything. It's just how to do product research. I don't do Facebook feed. I don't do any of that. This is my only strategy. So thank you guys for watching. And the lookalike video is going to come on Friday. So look forward to that.